Okay, thank you both. Well, several local school districts will be welcoming kids back to class this morning.
That comes as hospitals across the country seen an increase in COVID cases. Let's go to CBS 13's Rachel Wolf live in Sacramento with what health officials are urging parents to do to keep their kids safe. We know a lot of kids going to be packed together. It's hot outside, so a lot of us, a good warning for not just school kids either.
Yeah, also for us at work too, right? Whenever anybody coughs, everybody freaks out because we're seeing COVID-19 hospitalizations rise. So this is a perfect time to do that prep work as kids head back to school. A reminder about some of the recommendations from the Department of Health.
Health officials say although COVID-19 hospitalization rates are at a high not seen since April, they're much lower than before. The CDC says roughly 1% of hospital beds in U.S. inpatient and intensive care units are currently taken by COVID-19 patients. During the Omicron surge, more than 20% of all beds were occupied. Although U.S. cases have dropped significantly since the peak of the pandemic, health officials are advising people to be cautious and fully vaccinated because COVID-19 is here for good. As a reminder, the California Department of Public Health recommends students get up to date on all vaccinations for back to school. California law requires students receive immunizations to attend public and private elementary schools, secondary schools, and licensed child care centers. Schools and licensed child care centers must enforce immunization requirements and maintain records and then report immunization status.
And it's not just COVID-19, but also types of infectious diseases, viruses like HPV, where kids can get their shot as early as 9. That's the one. It's kind of a silent one. It can cause cancer, some of those strains of the human papilloma virus. Also, if you need ways to pay for it, low or no cost, go to Shots for Schools or Don't Wait, Vaccinate. Those are two different websites where you can find resources to get the shots, those vaccinations that your children may need.
Yeah, some good options and easy guidance and make it very simple to understand.
And as somebody who just experienced getting COVID for the very first time ever, it was not fun. So please take precautions. Thank you, Rachel, for that live update from Sacramento.